Hi guys, this is Mohammed Imtiaz. Welcome to my channel AutoCad Tips and Tricks. Today I'm going to show you it's a simple video, simple tutorial I create. Okay, so it's details of printing. What we do mistakes when we do print. So let's start the tutorial. But before start the tutorial, just take a visit to my channel. As you can see, we have a lots of tutorials here. Very good information and valuable information you will get on my channel. My internet's a little slow. As you can see, we have a lot of Lisp files and Lisp tutorials, and where I stuck in my work I created tutorial. So please subscribe and go back to the playlist. This playlist very useful, that advanced AutoCAD Lisp tricks. It's very useful tutorials in that, so please watch all this uh, Lisp. You will get a very helpful methods here. So let's start the tutorial. You can see that we have a random section plan here. So I need to tell you that when you are going to print, your green color and yellow color will not visible in your drawing, as you know normally. But what we do mistakes, we sometimes we forget, when we print it will not visible. So there is an option, maybe you know, but if you don't know, please watch it. Just go to the print option, previous plot. Okay, here you can see normally we can just directly print. We will click none, a CAD, it will be changed the setting of your layers. You can see that we have a yellow color here. You don't need yellow color, so you can change your yellow color in black and your green color in blue. Whatever you color, you can change it here. If you need the green color, just make it dark, because this third color, green color third one, it's not visible, or yellow also not visible correctly. You can change it, go to the index, make it dark green. You can do it also, but I will use here green, blue, sorry, and I change to the line width, it will visible 0.09 mm. Save. I will click to the window here, which I make F3, which will not go anywhere. Code snap, I off, click. Now you can see our drawing will be changed from green to blue and yellow to black. You can see, right, this is green text will become blue, and our black lines become yellow lines become black. So not one more thing we cannot see here, this one, this color also. Okay, cyan we call this one, name is, we can go to the cyan color. I will change into black also, it will look good. Preview. Yeah, it will be visible now. So this is the tips to when we are going to print. Change this one, you will get a very visible drawing when you are going to print. Okay, so my next tip is, when you are going to print, what you will do, that just change the color of the display. You can see the background is black, you can change it into white color. It's like paper, when you're going to print, when the printout came, it will look white, right? So you will not see here what background, it will white. So your drawing, how it will be visible on the white color. So go to the option by clicking left click and downside, and you can go to the OP also option. Okay, now you can see that this is the files, and the next one is display. You can go to the color and you can change into white color, make it apply. Okay, now you can see that you can, what you can see and what you cannot see, the line thickness and all. So it will very helpful to you. It's very easy to recognize that what you are going to print. Okay, my advice is to please change it when you are going to print, or if you like it permanently, you want to make it, keep it white. Okay, so I hope you like this simple tutorial. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, so when I uploaded a video you will get a soon notification. Okay, thank you and take care yourself. Bye bye. And for more related to printing, I give in the description below, like for example, scale to print, how to set up the page, and much more related to printing. So click the description below, you will get and you will learn more related to printing. Okay, my next tutorial will be related to the interview. Okay, and how we'll set the paper, how we'll set the scale, which paper size we will use, the text size, arrow size, dimension size, and where we will import the doors, windows. I will explain in the next tutorial. So please wait for my tutorial, the next one, which one I am going to be upload maybe around in 2 days.